Welcome back to rTech. In today's video, we're going to review this mini wireless doorbell with over 1000 feet of range from Avantek. This one is called the Avantek Mini Wireless Doorbell, and this one comes with a waterproof bell switch. So it is really small in size, including the box, and they've tried and kept the box as eco-friendly as possible. Minimal plastics. So this one comes in black and white. This one's going to be the black color, which we're going to review. A lot of things at the back. I'm just trying to enhance the way you can read this. This text is really difficult to read. So it is waterproof, the outer bell switch. It's IP55 dust proof and water resistant. So you can splash water on it, nothing should happen. And it's got a 3-year life if you use it about 10 times a day. And this uses a normal battery as compared to some of the older bells, and it has 1000 feet range. So let's quickly go ahead and open this. So inside you have the ringing module. I initially thought the bell symbol will glow in green, but there is an LED indicator right above that. And there are 3 buttons on the side. So yeah, the volume levels are adjustable, 5 modes. They've given different types of modes. There are some stickers inside for you to stick the bell module outside. You can also have this mounted on a wall, secure it against a door if you want to. And there are some user manuals and quick start guides. So this is the bell module, the bell switch. And it does have a protective sheet between the battery and the terminals, so you have to pull it off if you want to use it. And including the bell switch has a small layer of plastic protecting it. It's got this nice shiny switch, and that's the LED indicator. So these 2 are the main components in this box.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So this module is really compact, about 3 inches, and really small components here. Just 2 items in the box along with some fixing modules. So let's quickly check this out. This ringing module has a lot of functionality, and it has wide voltage ranges. You can use it right from 110 volts to right up to 260. And with 1000 feet range, it's a really good bell for you to have. If you have multiple rooms, I think between walls that range should come down a bit, but it still is a good range. 1000 feet is still good. So it uses a CR2032 battery, which is different from some of the older batteries, and this also has a very good speaker built in it. I shall do some music test here. I think it's got about 52 ringtones, and you also can pair this with other ringing modules, which means you can have 2 or 3 of these across the house. So putting this on, so let's test the different buttons here. I'm sure you're going to hear a lot of music, so just skip this part if you don't want to hear it. So pretty much a lot of ringtones you can select from, and plenty of options. The bell trigger switch works amazing, and it's quite clicky as well. I think that's enough of it. So this trigger module, the bell switch, can be opened up so that you can replace the battery. It's IP rated, so IP55 gives you a rating where you can splash water on it from all sides, nothing should happen to it. Inside, the circuitry is very simple. There's a large antenna on the top of it with a coil spring. I think that's what helps it with the range. And there's a replaceable battery, which is a CR2035. So should be good for 3 years, they say. And you can mount it outside. They've given you the tape and some screws. So I did a real world test, and this is about 200 feet away from that building. I pressed the bell a couple of times and I get a thumbs up, which means it's actually working. So 300 feet, not a problem. This is at least 250 to 300 feet and it's comfortably working there. So let's push it a little further. I took it a step further, moved up approximately 500 or 600 feet away, and it still worked. So this thing really works. I know my camera can't pick up the thumbs up from here, but I can see the thumbs up and I know that this bell is actually working. And having multiple receivers inside the house in different rooms, setting it across different tunes makes it really versatile. So that's my short review on the Avantek wireless doorbell. Do let me know what you guys think. Do subscribe, hit the like button if you like this video. I'll leave links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.